Hey everyone! Today I'm not doing anything paper related and I'm back to felt sewing. I've not done a felt video in quite some time, so this was really fun to do. So I decided to do like a set of different desserts, and this is the first video of the series. So today I'm doing a matcha Swiss roll with like a strawberry filling. Although I've never had anything matcha, I just really like the color combination of green and pink. But anyways, for this project you're gonna need some felt fabric, and I'm using 1.5mm felt. I get my felt from the fabric store, but you could also get it at the craft store or art store. It's just at the fabric store it tends to be much cheaper. If you buy felt that is like a blend of wool and acrylic, it tends to be more expensive. But then the art store and the fabric store both sell the same acrylic one, so it doesn't really make sense price-wise. So yeah, definitely check the fabric store first before you go to the art store. This stick is just soft pastel. I just wanted to add a bit of shading to the strawberry filling, and I think it looks way better with the shading. It kind of makes it look more real, but it's really optional. This is optional, but my green felt was really kind of soft, so I just wanted to reinforce it a bit, so I just stuffed an extra strip of green fabric inside. If you don't have hot glue, you can just stitch the strawberries and the cream on top of the cake. I just I'm a bit lazy, and I find that hot glue works really well with felt fabric. From this part on, it's really optional. I just wanted to add a bit of texture, I suppose, so I used tube beads. I think they're called tube beads. They're like elongated, and I wanted to use the green beets as sort of like a sprinkling on top of the cake, and also I used the pink tube beets inside the strawberry filling, and I think it really turned out really nice. I like it. I think I went a bit overboard because I started adding some clear beads on top of the cream just to mimic like the glossiness, but yeah, I should have stopped with the strawberry filling. I really like it, and I know I say this in every single video, and I say, oh, I like it, I hope you like it, I hope you make it, but I just don't know what to say. I guess I suck at outros, but I like my cake. I hope you like my cake, and I hope you make my cake. I plan to do a few more cakes, but if you have a suggestion, just leave it out in the comments. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week. Okay, bye!